Look at this Blue Majik Yogurt Parfait bowl I created. This is pure joy, so good, 37.5 grams of protein. I'm gonna show you how to make it, so let's go. I'm going to start off with a bowl, and I'm using Coco June yogurt because Coco June doesn't have any gums or stuff in it, and I can't do dairy. So if you can do Greek yogurt, the better. That would be better, has more protein in it, but I can't, so I like Coco June. So I put about half a cup in there. Let's just give or take. So next thing to add my protein to it is I'm using my unflavored bone broth collagen. What I love about this is it's like 15 grams of protein, and it has collagen per scoop. So you'll see where it's gonna boost up the protein, but I'm basically gonna take it and I'm gonna mix it together in the bowl. What I love about this is that it basically doesn't, if you put a protein powder in with dairy-free yogurt, it just gets gross. It gets thick and curdled. This bone broth collagen basically absorbs into the yogurt. And I'm using a big bowl, so it's gonna take a little bit more to mix it, but just use a spatula and just kind of keep mixing it like this. Okay, I've got the bone broth collagen and the yogurt mixed. Next, I'm going to add, I want to add this for fun. So this is Blue Majik, it's blue spirulina. This is spirulina, but it doesn't have that spirulina taste. It kind of has a sweeter taste, but oh my God, look at that. Look at that. It's like, again, when I say eat foods that make you come to life, I'm gonna just put this down. Look at how beautiful that is. So again, this is like, I'm painting my parfait. So I wanted to add this because it also helps with inflammation. It helps with joints. It has so many benefits. And it just makes the food come alive. I mean, look at this. Like, this is gorgeous, and I'm going to eat this. Okay, so now it's a brilliant blue, so, so pretty. So now I'm gonna top this with some hemp seeds. So the hemp seeds with the grass-fed bone broth collagen are gonna give you the complete protein. This turns the collagen, which is not a complete full protein, but it is when it's paired with a complete protein like hemp seed. So now this brings it up to 15 plus 10, because this is 10 grams for 3 tablespoons, 25 grams, yeah. Plus, and then the protein comes from the other things I'm adding too. So I'm adding 3 tablespoons hemp seeds, and then I'm gonna add, this also has protein in it, buckwheat groats. These are sprouted, so you can eat them. Like, they've got a little crunchy taste to them. They also make a cinnamon flavor if you like that. So I'm gonna pour that in another part. And then I'm going to, so good. Now I'm going to add frozen berries that I put in a glass jar and let thaw out, because they just, wait till you see, oh my gosh, the beautiful, these are gorgeous. They're like a work of art. Again, these are blackberries, blueberries. If they're not in season, frozen's the best, because it's actually sometimes better because it's packed at the peak of its ripeness with all the flavor. But oh my God, look at that. And you get the juices from it in there too. So next, I love bee pollen. So I'm gonna add a tablespoon of bee pollen. You don't have to do this. I just think it's gorgeous. I just think it's like, it's yummy. I love I love the taste of it. So I'm gonna add a tablespoon of bee pollen. And then I'm going to add some pumpkin seeds. These also have protein in them, and they've got so many other health benefits. And so yeah, like, just play around, add whatever you want to add to this. If you find other things in the kitchen, you're like, ooh, that sounds yummy, I want to add that to it. But like, this can be like a morning yogurt parfait party. You can put out the yogurts, you can put out the frozen berries and like in bowls, you can put out like the buckwheat groats, you can top it with granola, you can top it with nuts, whatever you want. Easy yogurt parfait for lunch or breakfast. You do you. It's so good. Okay, there's 37.5 grams of protein in this. It's like a work of art for your tummy, and it's beautiful. So I'm gonna eat the beauty of this food and take in all the nourishment.